Assalamu alaikum everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to find thesis-based paper for machine learning projects. So I know how hard it was to find a good paper which has Q1 or Q2 rank and the paper has a data set with it. So to do that, the steps are very simple. You have to find a super category. To find a super category, you can also use ChatGPT. Like, tell me some ML super categories like medical security, and it's gonna pop up with some super categories like agriculture, security, finance, transport, natural, computer vision, energy utilities, entertainment, media. A lot of super categories. So let's say we have selected healthcare. So then you can ask the AI with some narrow down topic, like narrow down some lists for healthcare or medical. So it's gonna give you some more in-depth topic to start with your thesis. Let's say we have selected skin cancer. So then the last thing you have to do is use my life-saving prompt. So for that, you would have to come to this Google Doc and copy this prompt. Then you can use any of this AI for use the prompt, and also the sites can be used for checking rank. So what we are gonna do, let's go to chat gpt, then click the plus, click the deep research, then paste my magic prompt, then search like skin cancer, hit enter. It's gonna ask just a simple question. So what should be the paper? You may write open access. It should be ML model. We are open for any. Would you like recent papers? Recent. Okay. Then it's gonna start its deep research. You can do the following thing with Gemini as well. Then it's gonna ask you for a confirmation, and it's gonna generate the thesis for you. So let's get back to the chat GPT. Let's say you have asked those prompts and it would give you a result something similar to these with a table based answers. So what you have to do now is search, look at the data. This has a title, this has data set, it has Q1, it has 99%. So obviously there's no work to do because you can make any better than that. Let's say it has 94%, so it has Q1 ranking, and the dataset is available in ISS Kaggle, and the thesis name is skin cancer. So let's see what this thesis is about. So it's a skin cancer based thesis. If you like this abstract, uh, then it's very recent, not 2025, but very recent. So you can see the dataset is from ISS Cab 7, what is used in here. How am I so sure? So if I search data set, you'd see that it's already written that this thesis paper is using this data set which is already available in Kaggle. So that's how, if you search more, you'll see those paper also has title and the data set, the accuracy and the rank. Okay, so how do you check the rank? Let's say we have selected this 94% page, which is the skin cancer. So ISSN, I can take the ISSN from here or also from here. So what I'm going to do now is going to schema go. I'm going to search my ISSN and I'll see the paper which is also already Q1 ranked. So that's how easy it is now to find the paper which has Q1 rank and a dataset already included, and also you can see the accuracy, a lot of things. Hope this video helps. Thank you. Bye bye.